Teacher does more than teach lessons. A teacher inspires, guides, encourages, and helps students become responsible and successful individuals. Teachers do not only teach mathematics, science, or English, they also teach values through good manners and right conduct. These values include respect, honesty, kindness, discipline, responsibility, and love for others. A good teacher helps students become better people every day.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Before we start, let's check our classes. Lagi.
Yes, teacher. Good morning, class.
Very good. Reminder that being class will help us learn better and that is also part of being responsible. Now, who can tell me what GMR means? Mother.
Gym means good fundamental conduct, teacher.
Very good. So, what is GMR standing for that? The GMR stands for that because they teach how to respect other and very good. GMRC helps us become responsible, respectful, honest, and kind people. Let me ask you some questions. If your classmate accidentally grabs his book, what will you do? Aladdin.
I will my classmate to pick them up.
Very good. Helping others shows kindness. So, what if your teacher is talking and your classmates are making noise?
I will listen carefully and remind my classmates to stay quiet.
Do your best and never stop learning. Let's make a short activity. I will give you different situations and you tell me the right thing to do. Situation number 1. Your classmates forgot his pencil. Aladdin.
I will use my extra pencil.
Very good. In situation number 2, you accidentally broke something in the classroom. Monte.
I will not approve and apologize. That is the problem.
Very good. So, honesty is always the best choice. In situation number 3, a new student joins your class. Rico. I will welcome the new student and help him feel comfortable. Very good. Kindness makes everyone feel included. Now, can everyone tell me 5 values we learned today? Ready?
Respect.
Respect. Monte.
Honesty.
Honesty. Monico. It's unformed responsibility. Right? Those are the 3 values that we learned today. We also learned kindness and discipline. These values will help you not only in school but also at home and in your community. Understand?
This is Prince, and let's talk about this role play. The teacher here is not just a source of knowledge. She acts as a guide, mentor, and a role model. She leads discussions, connect lessons to real life, listen to the students' concern, validate their feelings, and waves values naturally into every part of a class. And it matters in learner-centered teaching because it shifts power from teachers dictate to us teachers support learners. It meets students where they are, build their confidence, and nurture not just their minds, but their whole character. And that's all. Thank you. And bye!